Fujifilm have been giving us a whole host of new equipment this year, and they aren't done yet. Introducing the new XF 18mm f1.4R LMWR lens. This will be Fuji's 35th XF lens, and on their APS-C sensor bodies has a 35mm equivalent focal length of 27mm. Inside are 3 spherical elements and 1 ED lens to minimise chromatic aberration, offering users sharp, detailed images across the entirety of the frame, at any focus point and any aperture. This is a nice, quick lens with an f1.4 aperture, meaning the new 18mm takes shooting in low light situations in its stride. Fujifilm have been releasing a lot of products recently, so don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell on our YouTube channel to turn on notifications. That way you won't miss any upcoming content or reviews. We tested this new 18mm in a variety of locations and in different lighting. Whether we were shooting in daylight, by street light, or in no light, the 18mm did the job. If we zoom in the corners here, we can see the lens is sharp across the entirety of the frame. The 18mm focal length is a versatile one, especially on APS-C cameras. It can be used for a huge variety of scenes and subjects. On my old X Pro 1, the original XF 18mm was my leave-on lens, and on this X-T4, the 18mm offers that same peace of mind, whether you've come across a rolling vista or you're taking pictures of your friends at the pub. You've got the right lens on your camera. The 18mm focuses internally and is driven by a linear focusing motor. This provides fast, accurate and very quiet AF, so this lens can work great for stills as well as video. The minimum focusing distance is just 20cm, and being an f1.4, even though this is an 18mm focal length, you can still achieve a nice, shallow depth of field. The filter thread is 62mm, the lens weighs just 370 grams, and it's only 7.5cm long, so it certainly is very travel friendly. Weather sealing alleviates the risks presented by dust and moisture, whilst the lens can work comfortably down to temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius, which is about the average nighttime temperature during the summer in Wales. There isn't much theatre on the outside of the lens, with just a large manual focus ring and an aperture ring, which is lockable into the A position. To find out more, you can visit our website, there'll be a link in the description, or you can pop a comment here and we'll do our best to get back to you with any info that you need on the brand new Fujifilm XF 18mm f1.4R LMWR lens.